Hey guys, I'm Tiara, and this is
Always
and-
Don't pull my weave.
Okay, and as you can see, so you guys seen the last hairstyle that I did on Kylie, and we're about to do something new because this one is clearly turned
Ugly.
around. Yeah, it's done. It's done.
That's a no-no.
So yeah, we're going to take you guys on our wash day process. So come on.
Period.
Hey, we're back, y'all. And as you can see, Kylie's hair is a mess, honey. So we're going to take it down and I'm going to show you guys our quick wash process. Today is a busy day because I'm having to take her hair down, wash it, and do it all in the same day. And when I do that, baby, I like to make that wash process real quick. So we're going to show y'all what I do on those days. But I'm just taking this hairstyle down. It's very easy to take down. And I love doing these hairstyles on Kylie hair. Like usually I just keep it braided up, and she's been expressing that she wanted different styles. So I like that we're able to do these little pigtails and ponytails, and I can show her that, girl, yeah, you got 4C hair, but you got that versatility, baby. All right, guys. All right, now we're heading to the wash bowl.
Hold on.
Oh, your Crocs? Oh, with your new, what are those? Oh, those are cool. So cool.
They're all my favorite stuff.
Yes, all your favorite stuff, honey. There you go. So yeah, we're about to wash Kylie's hair, and that is going to be in the sink. Mind your business.
No.
Mind your business. And that's what we're going to do.
I like it like that.
No, she don't. No, she don't. I'm not even finna let her embarrass herself on this video. You can lay up here on this thing and lean your head back, honey. Y'all see. Here we go. Now, baby, what is she talking about? She want to lean forward. Like she just, like she just built like that. Like she could just lean forward. And ain't nobody got time. I did that one time. Mommy is in my eyes. Mommy, I can't breathe. Mommy, it's water everywhere. No, ma'am. Get your big old tall butt on this counter and lean back. Like how my mama used to do my hair back in the day. And you going to be just fine. Like, whatever, girl. Ain't nobody got time to be wrestling with you while you trying to be a big girl and stand over and lean your head. No, ma'am. But yeah, so let's get started with this wash process. And when I wash her hair, especially I put a lot of product to get it slicked down. So the first thing that I like to do is make sure that I soak it all the way down. Like I get it all wet, baby. You see, I'm going through that, and I'm just like making sure that I just rinse as much out as possible, get her hair fully wet, fully soaked. So that when I apply the soap, well, not the soap, the shampoo, when I apply the shampoo, I'm able to get a pretty decent lather. So yeah, I like to rinse it down. Y'all see me rinsing it down? Rinse it down, baby. Rinse it down. And I actually went to the beauty supply store, and I'm trying new products today. We're going to try the Main Choice. Usually I use Shea Moisture, and they didn't have anything in the beauty supply store. I've used the Main Choice on my hair before. This is just their shampoo. They're the hydrating and detangling shampoo. I think that's what it is. But anyway, yeah, I'm using that. The beauty supply store didn't have none of my regular products, but I've used the Main Choice before on my hair. Me and Kylie's hair, very different texture, and it didn't quite work for my hair. It has my hair very oily, but for her hair, which is very thick and requires a lot of oil to stay hydrated, honey, I think it'll do good. So that's what I went with. I end up trying the Main Choice, and that's what we're gonna work with today. And I'm going to get up in there and scrub. Y'all see how I got a decent lather from just soaking it down, getting it all wet and nice, and rinsing out most of that product that I had put on there. Yeah. Okay, so I also like to go through with a comb. As y'all can see, this hair is very, very thick, baby. My baby got that really thick hair. And what I've noticed is that sometimes like product will just sit on top of her hair instead of getting down to the root. So I have to like literally like part it, section it off, and comb it all the way through, making sure that it gets all the way down to the scalp, baby. That we are cleaning this hair properly. So that's what I have to do. I have to like section it off and make sure that it just gets all the way through, okay? And yeah, I know I look like I'm going a little rough, but y'all, let me explain this, baby. Okay, so first of all, this video is sped up, so it looks like I'm working faster than what I am. I'm really not working that fast. And secondly, like, my girl is fine. She, trust me, she gonna let me know if it hurt. Y'all seen in the last video when I was steaming her scalp, baby. She was like, hold up. But yeah, she gonna let me know if it hurt. But I know that it looks like I'm handling her real rough, but I'm not. The video is sped up. I'm going really slow, and I'm just taking my time, making sure that we get her hair all the way thoroughly clean. Okay, so after I go through my thorough wash for the first time, I rinse it out, and we're gonna do one more wash. I usually do like 2 to 3 washes. Today, like I said, I'm trying to make it a quick day, so I'm just gonna do 2 today. Okay, I'm gonna do 2. But yeah, and I try to like, you know, doing Kylie hair is like a weekend thing, especially if I'm doing like a new style and I had to take down the previous style, like today. That would do like, okay, on Friday when she get home from school, I was like, okay, let's take down your hair, and then I will wash it Friday, take down and wash on one day, and then on the next day is when I would do the hairstyle. But today we had a busy weekend and we got to prepare for the week, so I had to do everything in one day. And baby, this be a process. Like, do y'all see this thick stuff? My back be hurting and everything, honey, like, woo. But yeah, so I am also going to wring this hair out, and they also have like a 3-in-1 detangler and conditioner. And yeah, so we're gonna try that. Like I said, we're doing everything at the bowl. I didn't want to keep on doing all that up down because this is our quick wash day. Quick. So I'm gonna put this in there. You know, they said put a little bit, baby. Y'all see how lather my hands was, and I'm just gonna work it through her hair, working it all the way through. Yeah, so it's a 3-in-1 detangler, leave-in conditioner, and a co-wash. So yeah, I was like, oh yeah, let's just do all this in one good swoop. And as you can see, when I put it on there, okay, y'all see how I sprayed that? I had to put some more because the product is just sitting on the ends of her hair. It looks like look, it ain't no product up in there. I have to go through and make sure I get it all the way through her hair, all the way through. It looks like, oh my God, I got so much product in there, but it does not get to the end, the scalp where it needs to be. So I have to like take my time and section her hair out and make sure I get it just all the way through. And as you guys can see, this is a pretty good detangler because like soon I put it on there, look, I'm just combing it right through. Like, it looks, it's going, look at my comb, root to tip, baby. Okay, so while I am detangling this, I'm going to give you guys a quick review of the 2 products that I just used. I used the Main Choice shampoo, and then I used their 3-in-1 conditioner, which is like a detangler, a co-wash, and a leave-in conditioner. And I will say these products work very well on Kylie's hair. It had her hair so freaking soft, like so soft. It didn't feel really dry and brittle like how it does when I use other products. So I like the Main Choice for her grade of hair. Y'all notice that I keep on calling it 4C. I don't know if it is, but it feel like it and it look like it when I be watching y'all videos. So we gonna call it 4C, baby. So yeah, I really like this for her hair. And like I said, this detangling conditioner leave-in one, that's what sold me. Because do y'all see how I am just like combing through this, and like she is just chilling on her iPad watching Ari Baby, of course, but she's just chilling. And usually this be a whole mommy please, ooh. And yeah, so I like these products. I'm glad I went with these. Maybe them not having my stuff in stock was a good thing, because now I got some new friends to add to our collection, baby. But yeah, now I'm just going to rinse her out, and you got to make sure you give it a good rinse, because I did put it all the way to the scalp. So even though I get that product all the way through, I got to make sure I got to get it all the way out. So that's what we're going to do. All right, and here we go. And look, I'm going to go back in with that 3-in-1 conditioner, detangler, leave-in, all that, because I just felt I don't know. I was not comfortable with just not putting nothing on her head after I just rinsed it out. So I put it on there, and then I'm gonna spray some heat protectant. But wait a minute, baby, the shrinkage is real. It's real. Did y'all see my baby little bit of afro? Don't do her, cause wait a minute, when I blow it out, y'all gonna see, okay? But yeah, I sprayed some heat protectant on there, and then I'm gonna section her hair off into 4, and I'm just gonna go through it with the blow dryer. Like I said, this is our we're doing a takedown, a wash, and we're gonna prep it for our next hairstyle. I'll drop that video next after this one. But yeah, so that's why I'm gonna go through it with the blow dryer and all that good stuff. So I got it sectioned off in 4, and I'm just gonna comb through it, baby. I'm just gonna go through it. So yeah, and I like to add the comb to the end of my blow dryer. I see people who brush and blow dry with, the 2-hand thing. I'm not that coordinated, and not, like I said, this is a quick day, so we just gonna clip that comb to the end of that blow dryer, and we just gonna stretch it on out. Okay, stretch it on out. Like I said before, I spray heat protectant on her hair. It's by Garnier. It's a 360 flat iron. Yeah, it's something like that. It's in the green and orange bottle by Garnier, and it's a heat protectant, and I spray that on there, and it's done me pretty well. I love to spray it on there. Okay, and we're gonna complete that with the 4 sections, and this is what we have when we're done. Look at this, baby. Look at this. See, that water be playing my baby. It be playing her, baby. It be playing her. No, she got some length. Okay, stop playing with little Kylie. So now I'm just going to section it off into 4, and like I said, we are prepping for our next hairstyle, which she wants another ponytail. Baby, I can't. Let me have a small confession with y'all, baby. I can't wait until we braid this back up, okay? Because her next hairstyle is gonna be some box braids, okay? We're gonna do that because I miss those. But yeah, I'm spraying more heat protectant before I go in with my flat iron, and I'm holding my comb at the end and placing my flat iron in front, and I'm just chasing it behind there, and I'm going to complete this process all the way through. And look, my girl is not even I got some different flat irons. I think the other ones, it was releasing too much steam, and I'm not putting my flat irons over 400 degrees. I think they were like 350 because I just want to be extremely careful. I'm not a licensed hairstylist, so everything I do is just off of what my mama did for me, and me just learning my daughter's hair. So I try not to do anything to mess this up, okay? Because we grew this hair off of a tree. That's what her daddy say. I grew this off a tree. My baby used to be bald headed, okay? So I don't want to do anything to mess that up. So I'm always extra careful. And I am, just going to go through it one stroke. That's all I'm doing, one stroke. My flat irons are on 350, and I spray heat protectant anytime I'm applying heat. Anytime I'm playing the blow dryer or the flat iron, she's going to get some type of protectant on this hair, okay? And y'all, I decided that, y'all see I keep looking at them ends, baby. I decided that I could not look at them any longer. Like, she has a appointment to get her hair, her ends clipped with our hairstylist, but I just can't keep looking at them because they look terrible. So after this, I'm going to go in and I'm going to clip her ends, just trim her down just a little bit, because I can't stand to look at it, okay? Alrighty, and this is it all pressed out using just one stroke, just getting it kind of flat for me, getting a little manageable so I can do her ponytail like she wants. And now I'm just going to divide her hair off, and I'm going to just trim her ends just a little bit. Just the little pieces that I see that is, just super, super duper irritating. So I'm just going to go in with my shears. I do use a different pair of scissors. I don't know if this is true, but like, I've always been told that you're not supposed to use like your house scissors, like scissors that you cut paper and stuff with to cut your hair. So I always have like a different pair of scissors just for hair, and I'm going to make her sit up straight, feet flat to the floor. And look, she hates sitting up straight. She hates it. And I'm just going to go in. Look, I'm zooming y'all in closer. Look, I'm getting better so y'all can see what I be doing. So yeah, I got a different pair of scissors. Don't use the same scissors. I'm sorry. Look, I can't even talk. That you use to do your everyday stuff with at home. Have a different pair of scissors just for your hair. And like, trimming ends always scares me because I'm like, I want to hold on to every bit of length that she has, but this actually helps more than anything. Then you holding on to that little bitty piece of straggler hair, you clipping those ends. Look, I'm not even clipping that much. I'm just trimming the little wild pieces that I see. It's not gonna hurt, but this helps more. Keeping your ends clipped will help your hair grow and be so much more healthier than you trying to hold on to them little straggly pieces. Y'all just cut it. And I know how I feel because I used to be the girl that used to cry every time she had to get her ends clipped. The little half an inch come off, and I'm boo-hooing on the floor, and it's the worst hairstylist ever, kicking and screaming, all of that. But you know, you got to get it done. This is what helps keep her hair growing. This is what helps keep her hair healthy. I seen a lot of growth from her getting her professional trim, and as y'all can see, I didn't do much. Y'all see, I just got like the pieces that were just, and then it still needs to be, you know, go back through. I just got the pieces that were like bugging me, but this will do until our appointment in a couple of weeks. So yeah. Alright guys, so that was our wash day quick routine, and this is our final product. We're nice and clean, blow dried, and I'm prepping her hair for her next hairstyle. So yeah, blow dried, flat iron, and I did clip her ends just a little bit. We have a hair appointment scheduled for like next month, but I couldn't look at them, so I just had to clip them just a little bit. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Kylie, are you ready for the next hairstyle? Yeah, and make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell.